we will continue facility planning, and this video will take a topic of kitchen design and layout. The layout process describes earlier two separate stages occur at the same time. The first stage can deal with the arrangement of the individual pieces of equipments, okay, जैसे working table and sinks and the unit which is used in the kitchen area, okay, and which is comprised of the functional area and the functional, or you can say the functional department, okay. One particular area may be developed for the one particular function, okay. The second stage of the layout process arranges the function area into a total facility for the receiving, the storing, and the preparation and production, also and the other ancillary departments where there is the non-production areas such as restrooms and the pot washing, and throughout the together they are the whole combine the facility. There may be some doubt on that whether the two stage of layout are could be done at the same time, but through the but even though the designer may be working on the one stage to another stage at given time, the layout design may be considered in the term of both stage. In the essence, the layout of the total facility of about a kitchen must be considered when laying the component areas and vice versa. The concept of layout of the kitchen depends on the four steps. First, product. What kind of product or material we are going to produce, what machinery and equipments we have, that could be a second, that at the second point. Third, worker, which is always include the staff, okay. And fourth one is the movement means the flow of activity and operational procedure. The material in our products, with the product should be designed to ease of production, means the product we are designing means to relate that whatever products we are producing is going to be eased for production, means we have to do layout this kind of way, and we have to arrange the equipment in that way, okay, whatever product or whatever food we are preparing is going to be easy to produce, okay, take less time, okay, and didn't get any kind of hazards in that. Raw material and use should be required minimum number of processing steps, okay. The layout should be protect the material for the determinal factors, the moisture and dust. Again I said that we have to make this kind of effort, we can the food didn't get any kind of hazards in that, like moisture, dust and vibration. The raw material should be required minimum number of processing steps, means within the less time, within the less processing, we convert raw material into a food. So that kind of layout we should make. And the way of the material and products I'm talking about, to provide the flexible layout to handle the change with product, means we can change the product in various way, okay. Second point, machine and the equipment. The equipment provided to the layout is limited to required process, okay. The maximum use of the equipment should be planned, it could be materials we equipment or we placing in the layout, we should be maximum utilization. Sufficient space of equipment maintenance should be provided, means the space should be proper, and the proper ventilation exhausting system of equipment should be worked, okay. Layout should be facilitated movement of the mobile equipments, okay. Third is the worker. The layout should be like this, the worker they are working, mean the chef are working, they should be a feel safe and eliminated the hazards, means nothing kind of accident could be happen in that, okay. The etiquette light should be there, means for the worker the light should be a proper, so we have to care in that layout also. The proper exhaust system will be there. Layout should be free from distracting activity. Layout should provide the etiquette and space, work space. Fourth one is the movement. Layout should be provided for the easy movement of material and workers, means the kitchen we will be designing, the where the working of chef and the flow of material going to be easy, they not cross each other line, provide a smooth flow, okay, right. And the layout should be a prevent backtracking means we keep quick move forward, because backtracking going to increasing the accident numbers. The delays in movement of materials should be minimized, okay. Now this is about layout concept in the kitchen, okay. Now in that next video we'll talk about the different types of design we can set the configuration of the kitchen layout. Thank you.